Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 20th, 2023. We have already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cijferblok. In Japanese, Suguru. But you are interested in this one, the Four Stars Sudoku number 6307. And before I start, I always count up printed digits one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 2 1s we have here. 1 2. We have 1 2 3s. 4 4s. All right. 2 5s. 2 6s. 2 7s. 4 8s. All right. And 3 9s. So the 4s and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 4 or with the 8? With the 4, I believe. Well, we have 5 4s. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, don't need 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Let me see. 6 in this row, last row. 6 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. How about 8 now? How about the 8 now? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the third column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8. Insufficient information, yeah. Alright. 3, 3, okay. Then 9, 9, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, 6, alright. 4, 8, 7, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And we have a pair here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So two numbers left in this big square. One of us. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Two missing numbers now in this column. For numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and a 7. All right. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 7 should be there. These three missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6. 5, 6. Yeah, 2, 5, 6. That means we have a 5 in one of these three boxes in this column. This box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 9. So here we have 2, 5, 6. That means one digit left in the middle column for number 1. How about these three missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2, 6. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Yeah. But 8, no. 6, no. 6, 6. Well. 5, 5, 5. Okay. 2, 2. 2, 4, 8, 9. 2, 2. No 2 here. Yeah, I'm thinking 7. And now, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 in these two boxes. Yeah, 7 in the middle row, no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, down, need to place left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in this third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, only 3 place left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 8, okay. But here, 8 again. Yeah. Need to wait. Come on. 6. 9. Oh, 9. Come on. 1, 2, and the 3 should be here. No 3 here. I'm thinking hard. 2. 2. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes. In the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 2 should be there. All right. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Thinking. 1, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2, 5, 6. 206. anonymous. Oh, wait. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this big square. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, and the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. Need a 1 here. 1, 3, 5. Okay. 1, 1, 1. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. No 2 here. 2. No 2 here, 2, 2, 2. Okay, Yeah. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Well, we have a 3 and a 5 here. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2. Oh! No. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. Right. The 5, 5, 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Okay. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 3 in the first row, the 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. Let me see. 1 number left in this first column for number, I believe the 9. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the first column for last column. Correction. Last column. Those missing numbers in the last column are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 9 should be there. The 8 in the third row, the 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 6, I believe. Yeah, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 2, oh wait, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5, no 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Almost 40 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well, 1 star. I'm in the flow today. Yes, not the 4, not the 3, not the 2. 1 star, 14 minutes. Well, thank you for watching. And if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later on with the other 2 puzzles. One especially the tectonic with 4 stars. 9 digits. 9 printed digits. Well, until then, bye-bye for now.